Hi, today I will present the only effective method to fix the error presented in the episode title. This is a malfunction of the power supply system and specifically the 3-star chip. The repair consists of replacing this element. In this video, I will introduce successively the steps to perform and the parameters of the devices. Micro tweezers will be very useful for you. Of course, you must have hot air soldering station. You must know that the soldering process must be possible short so as not to overheat the motherboard and the chips on the other side, in particular the baseband.